Now in this example we want to divide two fractions by each other, and you see this division sign, but sometimes you also see it in a format like 2 divided by -9 divided by 4/5. And this is actually exactly the same thing as writing it with this division sign. Now the good thing about division and multiplication is we don't really need to worry too much about the denominators to be the same. Remember, when we do addition and subtraction of fractions, we can only do that when the denominators are the same, but with a division and multiplication we don't need to worry about it. Now for the division it's a little bit more complicated than with the multiplication, but we can do what I call the kiss and handstand method. So how does that look like? We have 2 divided by 9, then we give it a kiss, and that's this multiplication sign. And now we do a handstand of this term here. We turn it upside down. So we turn this upside down and we write 5/4. So the second term, the divisor, actually does the handstand and we've got a kiss. And now it is just simply a multiplication, and we can write for that 2 times 5/-9 times 4, or if we want to write this nicely with brackets, 2 times 5/-9 times 4. And I always recommend to write it like that so that any negative signs don't get lost. And we can calculate 2 times 5, that gives us, of course, that gives us 10. And -9 times 4, that gives us 36. But we can simplify this a little bit and we can break that down into the primes. So 10, that would be 2 times 5. And 36, that would give us -1 times, we can break it down, we can divide it by 2. That gives us 18. 18 divided by 2, that gives us 9, and we've got 3 times 3. And now we can start with the cancelling. We can't do a lot of cancelling, we can cancel the 2, and we've got 5/-1 times 2 times 3 times 3, that gives us -18. And of course we can write this then as -5/18. And that is really how you divide two fractions. As I said, easy kiss and the handstand of the second term of the divisor. I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.